good day left to me. Hello, babe. Can you just
No, what is it? No, can you just tell me what the hell it is? No, because I don't understand. What do you need from me? Okay, see, let me tell you something. Like, in case you don't know, I'm waiting for someone here. Very, very important. And we're going to somewhere very important. It is called Vow with Flow. Happening at Kalihan Event Center, Egbeda, Lagos. 3 o'clock p.m. Okay? And us is parrots. Start going because if my boyfriend catch you, he's going to kill you. It's coming right now.
I'm the rose this morning. Wait, you got a woman, you want to kill me? Got a one girl. Wait.
What are you saying?
How are you?
I'm just jogging, I'm just doing my thing.
Eh?
I'm just jogging, I'm just doing my thing. He's out, bro.
Oh! So, jog! Hell, jogs this morning. Oh, wait, baby.